million in gift cards and coupons expire and go to waste. That's your money down the drain. Well, next time, consider trading those unwanted gift cards. George is not here. George couldn't be with us. Angela Loomis is here along with Brad Waz from CouponTrade.com. Thank you guys for being here.
I'm glad to be here.
Brad,
Thank you for having us.
You came up with this idea of when I first heard about CouponTrade.com, I'm like, yeah, I get gift cards. Sometimes I'm like, what am I going to do with this? But you're much more than just gift cards.
Correct. Yeah, we're a secondhand marketplace for gift cards and daily deals. We also just launched a new feature called the coupon code section, and you can shop at any e-commerce website and get free shipping promo codes to use at checkout.
Oh.
I just wanted to correct you. It's actually $65 million a day.
$65 million a day of things that go bad. And what I do the Living Social, and at the time, I say, oh yeah, I'm going to go and I'm going to eat at that restaurant, and I take the deal.
Do it all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
But then it's just like, oh, plans fell through, I can't do this, and then that's just wasted.
Actually, it's not wasted. So the best part about CouponTrade.com is what we've done is we've created, like Brad was saying, we've created a marketplace where people like you and me can actually go and get rid of those daily deals and gift cards we don't use. You buy Living Social, I buy Groupons all the time. Because I work so often, I never get to use it. So what happens is I go and I post it on the website. This sign-up sheet is 2 steps. Sign up, fill out everything, PayPal verified, that's how I get paid for my Groupon or my gift card. List it on the website. Once that's completed, CouponTrade deposits the money, minus their 10%, into the account, and I have cash in my account within 24 hours.
That's awesome.
It's actually instant. It's actually instant, but when my physical bank gets it, it's within 24 hours.
So it's guaranteed.
It's guaranteed.
It's
Absolutely.
guaranteed. So I don't have to wait for a buyer on the other end to take advantage of my Living Social deal.
Even better. Not only do you have to wait, you do not have to wait. Actually, you can sell it within 24 minutes.
So how big is this? Has it caught on?
Yeah, we're actually gaining a lot of traction right now. We are nationwide. We're getting ready to launch into our first market outside of the U.S., which will be Canada. That'll happen in the next 60 days. We've just raised some private funding, and we're taking it all the way. Like, we have some really good traction going on. The momentum is picking up. The press, the media loves it, and we're saving people money. It's a win-win-win situation.
Angela, are there weird gift cards that even surprise you that show up on the website? Or
actually, there's tons of weird gift cards. The stores I've never heard, because we're nationwide. I've been Chicago-based my entire life. And when I see some of the gift cards that are posted on the East Coast or on the West Coast, I'm like, someone please go look at where this gift card's coming from. We've seen deals from very small towns, from daily deals to, why did Groupon go to this town and create this? It sells.
It sells.
Anything that you put on the website, it sells. That's the best part.
So no longer just let those deals expire, because many of them, final tip is read those Groupon, the daily deals, because most of them have expiration dates.
Correct.
And so if you don't use it in that time, you're out of luck unless you trade the website. Really easy to remember. For cash. That's the best part. CouponTrade.com. Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you very much for having us.